Hello everybody, this is my next project. It's an LS 460 and the engine on this car was running really rough, a lot of misfires. I thought it was an engine problem, but so as the mechanics before me, or idiots who call themselves mechanics. So this is the engine I pulled out. What I found once I pulled it out was that the idiot has welded catalytic converters to the exhaust pipe. So I had to get that out. Once I pulled the cats apart, I found that there is no catalytic converter material, so these will not pass inspection, but they'll be okay for testing. The reason I got this car was I do have another engine. I think this engine's okay. So what I discovered was that whoever was removing the catalytic converter material from the exhaust manifold cats, the upper cats, let all that catalytic converter stuff fall into the down cats. That's not good. I tried pushing the air. There is no travel. There is absolute 100% restriction in those cats. I can't find this pipe, and I don't want to buy a new one for like $3,000. I do find the regular LS, but this is an L, the long version, and they use different pipes. It's slightly longer. I think this section here is the extra section. I'm not about to cut this up or do anything, but I did come up with a solution. My pressure washer, the gun broke, and I had this pipe that I didn't know what to do with. As you can see, there is a lot of material coming out. Now let me show you what I did. So this is the contraption that I've come up with that allows me connection of the pressure cleaner to the actual pipe, and this little thing goes through the curves. So let's get that in there. There's a first curve, there is a second curve, and it's right now hitting the catalytic converter. Once I pulled the pipe apart, I noticed, I shook it down, and there's a lot of this stuff came out. Here's the catalytic converter material, and it's fairly fragile. I mean, this thing disintegrates quite easily. So worst case scenario, I'm gonna try and push something through to disintegrate the cats in there, just so there is no restriction. But let me show you how it works. The only problem is this is a two-man job, so I'm gonna have to use this, because once I turn it on, the pipe comes out. So right now it's actually spinning inside, cleaning my cats. One thing I don't understand is, where does all this water go? Because when that thing's on, no water comes out. Not from that side, not from this side. I'm assuming it's filling up here somewhere, but I don't see no water. That's a puzzle for me. Well, it's a small puzzle. Oh, here's water coming out. When I turned it on the first time, all this crap came out. Now, I'm not sure what this is. The hairy stuff. That hairy stuff is pretty bad. I don't even know how it got in there, because that would definitely be 100% restriction. I mean, there was no water coming through, I mean air coming through here. And what I'm gonna do later is I blocked off the exhaust on this side, and this is just a regular plumbing block, and I'm gonna use this thing to blow air into it. So let's see if we have any more stuff coming out. Yeah, as soon as I take the clip off, the pipe comes out. Okay. And the problem is, once it loses this angle, it doesn't want to go back in because too much pressure. So I have to turn it off and then push it further. I turned it off, and here is all the water. It does come clean now, so we'll see if the restriction has been removed. Let me push it further. Very interesting. Very little water comes out, but also very little dirt. Here's the water gushing out. It is clean. Oops. So I'm gonna do this side now, because I'm assuming this side, it was not as bad as that side, but it was still bad. So let's get this. Okay, it doesn't go any further, so I'm assuming that's a restriction. Let's turn it on. And you can see the garbage that comes out. Pretty bad stuff. Doing it with one hand is not an easy chore. It does not want to make this turn. Okay, I did manage to push it further. Now it's sitting right against the cats. Let's see what kind of crap is gonna come out. Here it comes. The other one is clean. That did not happen, guys. That did not happen. So this one right now is pushing the water, and there is a connection there, and it's pushing it out. That pipe is now clean, which means this is clean and that's clean. Wow. So let me shut it off. Shut off the water. For those that have inherited the car with a problem like mine, and you have no access to the cats or easy access, this is the solution, guys. You take your pressure washer, you adapt a different end to it, and you just pressure wash it on the inside. I do have a boroscope. I'm gonna be looking and seeing what's going on. When I put in the boroscope originally, I didn't see any holes. And the reason I didn't see any holes is because of all this hair. I don't know where that hair came from. It doesn't reside in catalytic converter. I don't know what whoever was trying to do. Well, in short, here you go. That's the solution. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Give me a like, subscribe, and if you like my content, please like it. Save money. Always save money. With this, the cost of the adapters was about $15. Saves me about $3,000 for a new pipe, because you can't find a used one. And they're not allowed to sell the cats on the junkyard, so it's a big mess. Thank you.